So, you've made the big investment of putting in a swimming pool, taking the dive, if you will. I'm sure you already know that not only is it a pool, it's a lifestyle change, one that will bring many years of happiness for you, your family and friends. It's also your private freshwater oasis, the freshest and safest water you can swim in that's better for you, better for your pool equipment and better for the environment. Now that your builder is done and gone, you're left with your naked pool and now you're feeling exposed. It can be pretty overwhelming. Don't feel stressed if you don't understand your pool right now. Remember, your startup pack provides the tools like the Clever app, user guide and other tools to help you manage your pool. See? There are a few things you'll need to know, such as the Naked Control Unit, how to maintain water balance, pump running times, cleaning the filter and brushing the pool surface. But don't fret, if your builder hasn't taken you through this, you'll find all the handy tips and how-tos you need on the Naked Pool's website and inside the Naked app. Testing and managing your pool isn't that difficult, and you can always utilise the services of a pool shop. Just make sure to use the Naked test bottle from the starter pack so they understand that you have a freshwater pool that doesn't need a lot of chemicals or high salt and minerals. Over time, you'll learn to understand your pool water and equipment and have an easy-to-manage freshwater pool. Take the time to look at the resources provided, and after that, if you still have any questions or concerns, we're here 7 days a week to support you. If you'd like to hear more about the basics of your pool, check out the next video on the app.